Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. So today we are making guilt-free treat which is wholesome, delicious and super healthy biscuits. It is made with 100% whole wheat flour and jaggery powder. Perfectly crispy and melt in mouth. So let's start. Here I have took cold and moldable unsalted butter. To that add finely powdered jaggery for smooth blend. I powdered it again for that perfect texture. Full recipe is in the comments, so do check it out. Gently mix the butter and jaggery using a spatula. Take your time here. We are looking for a creamy, well blended texture. This step gives the biscuits their perfect melt in mouth richness. Now switch to hand blender and beat the mixture until light and creamy. This helps the jaggery dissolve beautifully into the butter, giving you smooth, fluffy base that makes all the difference in texture and taste. Time to sieve dry ingredients. Here I have took whole wheat flour, a little rice flour for the crunch and a pinch of salt. Sifting gives lighter texture. Now add garlic powder and mixed herbs for that delicious savory taste. Now gently fold the dry ingredients into the creamed mixture using a spatula. Adding garlic powder is totally optional. You can skip if you don't like it. Now add 1 tablespoon milk and form a dough. Just mix until everything comes together. Do not overmix. Overmixing the dough can make the biscuits dense and hard, which we don't want. So mix gently just until everything comes together. Keep it light and soft for that perfect texture. Now grease the parchment paper or plastic sheet and place the dough on it. Cover with another sheet on top and gently start rolling. Roll the dough evenly throughout. The dough should be about 5 mm thickness, not too thin, not too thick, for even baking and perfect crunch. Okay, so let me know in the comments, do you prefer sweet or savory biscuits? Trust me, I loved this herb version. Do try them, but they also taste amazing with cardamom powder or cinnamon powder. You can give it a try if you want to skip garlic or herbs. After rolling the dough, keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, take them out and cut it using a cookie cutter. If you don't have one, no worries. Just use knife to cut it into squares. Quick and no need to re-roll the dough again and less wastage also. You can even use glass for the round shape. Totally your choice. Now preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Place the biscuits on tray, leaving some space in between and bake for about 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Delicious, wholesome biscuits are ready. No maida, no sugar, just pure goodness. Do give them a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.